are going to move on to the coding session. So in the coding session, I'm going to using the Spider IDE, and it is available in the Anaconda Navigator. You just install the Anaconda Navigator. When you install the Anaconda Navigator, this Spider IDE is also get installed. So basically, as you can see, I set my path as Python course folder. In that Python course folder, I create a subfolder stocks candlesticks, and in this stock candlesticks I make a Python file stock candlesticks.py, and in this stock candlesticks.py Python file we are going to do our coding session. So first of all, let me import the basic libraries, which are NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Now I'm importing the Wi-Fi library and the graph objects module in the Plotly and some functions and the Plotly library too. So now I'm gonna download the AAP stocks from the date 1 January 2016 to 1 August 2019. And now let me copy this to the AAPL. Now I have data of AAPL stocks, and let me show you the closing price of this. So it make a graph. Yes, here is it. So this is our graph of the closing price. This is the line graph, and now where we yes. So as you can see, the line graph of this stocks from date 2016 January to 2016 January to sorry July 2019, and it is going ups and down and ups. And now let me plot the this candlestick. So for that, first we have to make a trace where we provide the data for the candlesticks, like x is the main value index, and first we provide the open value, close value, high value, low value, and the type, which is how we want to, in what way we want to create the plot, which is the candlestick, then the name and the show legend. Then we make this trace as a list and pass this list in the data. And now we create the layout having the title and the font size, sorry. And now we create the figure by using the layout and plot it. So here is it. So we plot the candlesticks, and as you can see, when I move my pointer, so it's showing me the data of it: low, open, high, low, close, and wait a second. Yes, yes. So as you can see in green, we have a mark on the close side. We see a upward triangle, and because I can't move the pointer on that, because when I move my pointer, it this pop-up will goes off. So keep in mind that this close after the close price, this triangle shows the upward, and on the red mark you can see the close price is showing the downward triangle. As you can see, after the close price, so you seeing the triangle in downward phase. So that's why this is very user interactive, and it shows me when I have to see the data like this. And if I want to increase the slide, then I can increase the slide too. So it is very cool part of this. Like, you can see the data from only for this. So it was showing me everything. So it is very cool, and you also enjoying it when you just make this plot. Now let's move on to the next part. Here I show you the candlesticks. Now I will show you the moving averages. So here I'm creating the averages of the window size 30, range of 30, and here I create the averages of window size 50. Now I make a trace of this window. I make a trace of this averages 30 and 30 and 50. And now I give my data to the in I give my traces in the form of list to the data variable, create a layout for them. Now plot the figure, and we get the candlesticks and the moving averages. So it is very cool. Let's maximize it, and you can see the values on the line, moving averages value on the line, and the candlesticks plot. So it is very user interactive and also very cool. So that's all for the today's session. I hope you like it, where we talk about the candlesticks moving averages and the plots of these stocks. So that's all for the today's session. And I just want to say that you can try this by downloading some other stocks too. So try to download some other stocks and plot this candlesticks and moving averages for that stocks too, and try to interpret that. So yeah, that's all for the today's session. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Stay motivated and keep learning.